Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and positioning yourself in the inbox. Make sure you can see the flag column or the message list. Right-click a message or click the flag icon to create a follow-up. Choose today, tomorrow, this week, or custom date so you get a defined deadline. Once done, set a reminder time if you need a pop-up. These first steps turn passive emails into actionable tasks and begin tracking without extra setup. Continue by tailoring the flag to fit your workflow. Open the custom dialog to set separate start and due dates so Outlook shows the correct priority and status. Assign a color category to visually group similar actions, and add notes in the flag field to capture context. On Windows, use Ctrl+Shift+G for speed. On Mac, tap the flag menu. Once configured, flagged items will appear in the to-do bar and tasks. Make sure to sync if you use multiple devices so everything stays current. Finish by reviewing the flagged mail view or the to-do bar to confirm your tasks are listed. Then mark messages complete when done so Outlook removes the flag automatically. If you rely on follow-ups, create a recurring flag for repeating tasks and use the Tasks pane to manage long lists. If flags don't appear, first check that your account is synced and filters aren't hiding messages. If needed, restart Outlook or toggle the flag column. This resolves most display and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.